Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up some Happy Mail that I got from, well actually I know who it's from, but I'm really not supposed to know who it's from, but we had a gift exchange over in the Coloring Divas Facebook group. Monet organized a Christmas in July gift exchange for us, and I think about a dozen of us participated. So if you're interested in joining us over in the Coloring Divas, I always have the link down below in my description box. Now, I am currently sick when I'm filming this, so if I have to stop and cough or anything like that, or I sound weird, but I haven't talked in a few days, but I'm starting to feel better. So, and I wanted to open up these gifts on camera and make a video with you guys, and I probably should wait until I feel a little bit better, but I'm too impatient. I want to see what's in these packages. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, as I said, I do know who got me in this gift exchange, and it was Miss Monet. And Monet loves Christmas, I think, and giving out gifts more than anyone I know. I think she loves Christmas like how I love Halloween. So I don't know what the gifts are, but I did just go downstairs and I found all these packages down in my mail room. I think there might be one more coming because I see on my UPS, it looks like there's one more thing. I'll just throw it into the video too. All right, so I think these are all gifts from Monet. One of them is really big, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to put it in the whole frame here. So I think I'm going to open up the little ones first. And okay, so we're going to open up this one first. So the website that we use to do this gift exchange was elfster.com. Ooh. This is a click and she knows I've been obsessed with watercolors lately. That's all I've been talking about a lot. So this is really cool. Click and go water cup. Now, as I said before, I am sick, so if I'm sound confused or I don't know what the words for things are, please forgive me. I didn't have this on my wish list, so this is just a nice surprise. Very cool. Well, this is fun just to go like that. So that's neat. So thank you for that. Let's see the next one. I have another little package here. Let's see what's inside. You might hear some noise in the background too. I had to put my air conditioner on because it's very hot. What is this? Ooh, washi tape. This is perfect for my current washi tape obsession. These are really pretty patterns. These will make nice little accents for when I do my when I do my canvases. Gorgeous. I love it. Hopefully I'm in frame here. Let me get down lower. So all right, so now we're going to open up the big package. I'm very curious as to what's inside here. I was shaking it. Maybe I shouldn't shake it. I gotta go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Oh, this is really cool. This watercolor paper. Wow, this is humongous. Very nice. I love it. Very good use out of this. So this is some watercolor by Canson, 11 by 15. This is nice. I can use it. I could cut it up and make smaller palettes and stuff out of it. Cool, cool, cool. So that's really cool. Oh, there's one more thing in here. Let's see, what is it? Let me put this. See what it is. Excuse me. Oh, this is what I really, really wanted. This is on my wish list. This is a nice ceramic palette for the watercolor paint. So this is really nice. I did just get a bunch of new watercolors, so I'm really excited for this, to use it with that. Because I do have some plastic palettes that I got at the Dollar Tree, or actually I've been using this old dish, just a plate I've been using. So I like that these have these nice little deep wells that I can mix the colors in. So I love this. So UPS just showed up with my final package, and we're going to open up that one next. Ooh, paintbrushes. Oh, these look nice too. These look nicer than the ones that I have. Princeton. Oh, these are nice. There's another one. Oh. Princeton Heritage Series brush for watercolor. Oh, maybe I need the scissors again. Here it is. Ooh, pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. So very excited. I got some nice watercolor brushes. Now all I need is some talent to pull everything together. I'm really excited for all of the gifts that I got. Let's put them all together. So I got a nice big pad of watercolor paper. A watercolor palette, mixing palette, some beautiful brushes, a water cup, and some washi tape. So I just want to thank everyone for watching. Thank you so much to Monet for organizing this Christmas in July event for our group. Thank you so much for all of these beautiful gifts. And if you want to check out some more unboxings, I know Monet, Karen Colors, and Norma Jean Color with Me, they all participated in this Christmas in July event, so they're probably going to be doing unboxings or showing off their gifts as well. I do have them as featured channels if you go to my landing page. So if you want to go check them out and see what stuff they got for Christmas in July, go check them out and support them. And I hope everyone has a really great day. Happy coloring, and I'll see you next time.